Here is how I like to prep my smoker before I go up to my apiary. I take some paper, just get it going pretty good. Drop that into my smoker. I like to use burlap because it's convenient, and I fold it up, roll it, make sure my paper is going good. And having one of these barbecue lighters is very handy. Get that going good down there. Just hold it above until that catches a little bit. And just pack it down a little bit, give it some air. Make sure it gets going pretty good. It's staying a little bit more. See some flame shooting out the top there. It's going good. Pack it down a bit more. If I was going to be up there for a while, I'd put another one in. But I'm only going up to do a little quick work, so I'm only half filling it. If I was going to spend any time up there, I'd stick another one in on top, because nothing sucks worse than being halfway through doing your work up there and you're out of smoke. And just close it up. And while I'm getting ready, I'll come out a couple of times and give it another puff just to get it going good, and that's it. Just let it do its thing while I'm getting ready to go up there, and in about 5 minutes that'll be ready to go.